Just doing a quick little video here for guys that are trying to find the crank sensor plug on your early model dynas. Bikes without the cam sensor, because they'll have the connector down here. But crank only bikes, early model dyna, it's gonna be a 2-pin plug, red and black. It's gonna be under your seat here. You're gonna have to take your rear fender off just to be able to access the loom and pull the wire down. And what I did to get it through here is I ended up cutting the crank sensor and then electrical taping the new wiring, right? So I electrical taped it through here, and then you just pull on this, it'll pull it through the whole loom here. And then you can obviously take the electrical tape off and pin it into the old connector again, and then run the loom back through here and then under the seat, connect it back up, and you're good to go, guys.